Hello students, how are you today? The speaker is Mr. Abdul Hassan, English teacher at Al Rashid University College. Student, today I am going to talk about the important subject in your unit or in this unit. It's Introduction to Conditionals. As you know that we have four types of if conditionals. The first one was zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. So let me tell you that there are many different ways of making sentences with if conditional. It's important to understand the difference between sentences that mean real possibilities or real situations, okay, and those express unreal situations. So some of them express about real possibilities and some of them express about unreal situations. Now I will talk about the zero conditional. Zero conditionals are sentences refer to all time, not just the present or future. They express a situation that is always true. If means when or whenever. So, the sentence of if conditional consists two parts. Okay? Consists of two parts. The first part is if clause and the second part is result clause. So the role of zero conditional is if plus subject plus present simple plus complement. This is if clause, comma, subject present simple plus complement. This is result clause. We can replace result clause instead of if clause as this rule. Subject plus present simple plus complement. This is result clause plus or comma without comma, sorry, if plus subject plus present simple plus complement. We will see in these examples. If you spend over $50 at that shop, you get 5% discount. Okay, if clause, and this is the result clause. If you spend over $50 at that shop, you will get 5% discount. I can replace result clause instead of if clause as this example. You get 5% discount if you spend over $50 at that shop. Okay? Now, let me talk about the first conditionals. The first conditionals, they express possible condition and its proper result in the future. Okay? Pay attention. They express possible condition and its proper result in the future, and its rule is if clause plus subject plus present simple plus complement, comma. Now I will speak about the result clause, subject plus or may or will or should plus infinitive. I have some examples. If I find a sweater in your size, I will buy it for you. Okay? Now I have if clause in the first of the sentence and result clause in the second sentence. Another example, you will be pass the exam if you study hard. I can make it negative. You will not pass the exam if you don't study hard. Okay? Now I have example with what? With WH question. What will you do if you don't find a job? All these sentences were in the first conditional. Now I will talk about the second conditional. Second conditional uses, okay, to express about unreal situation and its proper result. Okay, we use the second conditional to express unreal situation and its proper result. The situation or condition is improbable or impossible, or we can say imaginary. So we will see that in this example. If I were, okay, why is singular subject, but we use were because this situation is impossible. So if I were if I were on the Olympic basketball team, I would train every day. Okay, I will repeat the sentence. If I were on the Olympic basketball team, I would train every day. So I have some examples here. If I want some money, I would go around the world. I can replace this result clause instead of if clause. For example, I would go around the world. I would go around the world if I want some money. Another example, I would give up my work if I didn't like it. Also, I have sentence with the question, what would you do if you saw someone shop fighting, sorry. What would you do if you saw someone shop lighting? Now I will talk about the fourth type, yes, but the third conditional. It's named the third conditional. Third conditionals sentences are not based on facts. So this is unreal situation shown by a tense shift from past to the past perfect. Okay, and it's talk about the past. It's used to describe a situation that didn't happen and to imagine the result of this situation. As this rule of this type, if conditional plus subject plus past perfect plus complement, comma, and the result clause is subject plus would plus have plus past participle. We will see in these examples. If she had studied, look here, if conditional plus subject plus had studied past participle, comma, subject, she would have passed the exam. Also, but real, we know she didn't study and she didn't pass. So, okay, but we really that she didn't study and didn't pass. So another example, she wouldn't have been tired if she had gone to bed earlier. Another example, he would have been on time for the interview if he had left the house at night. So now I have finished the introduction to conditionals, and after this video I will make another video to speak in Arabic language to explain everything. Follow me in the next video. Thank you very much.